Hey there, DIY fans! Welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best wall scanner for your next project. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Sendway SW6100GT. Let's get started. Product feature. It's a brilliant 2-in-1 tool that combines laser distance measuring and wall detection so you don't have to carry two separate devices to your job site. With its sensitive sensor-centered target positioning, you can pinpoint exactly where to drill, making every renovation project much smoother and error-free. It offers versatile detection modes that find metal, electrical wires, and wooden structures, giving you peace of mind before you ever touch a drill to the wall. You can see deep into your walls with exploration capabilities up to 100 millimeters, perfect for finding hidden structures in both homes and commercial buildings. The built-in laser ranging reaches up to 120 meters, allowing you to measure entire rooms or outdoor spaces with incredible ease and speed. Enjoy total confidence in your planning thanks to its professional-grade accuracy of plus or minus 2 millimeters, ensuring your measurements are always spot on every single time. This compact device is built for any scenario, from indoor home improvements to outdoor construction, simplifying your workflow and saving you precious time. Pros: this scanner is a total game changer because it takes the guesswork out of your home projects. It feels great in your hand, and the dual-purpose design means less clutter in your toolbox. You'll love how it keeps you safe by spotting hidden wires, while the high-precision laser helps you plan layouts perfectly. It's like having a professional assistant by your side for every task. Cons: while it is incredibly powerful, the many features might take a moment to master if you are new to high-tech tools. Also, its compact size is great for portability, but those with very large hands might find the buttons a bit close together during long sessions. Final thoughts. Imagine finishing your next home project without a single mistake or a messy hole in the wall. That's the kind of confidence this tool gives you. It's about making your hard work easier and your home safer for your family. Investing in a tool that protects your pipes and wires while measuring with such grace is a choice you won't regret. It truly makes every renovation feel manageable. Stop guessing and start building with total precision. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video to see more helpful guides for your home. See you next time.